units of solution concentration. The concentration of a solution tells you the amount of solute relative to solvent in the solution. A solution can be concentrated, which means a large amount of solute relative to solvent, or it can be dilute, which means a small amount of solute relative to solvent. Common units to express concentration include molarity, molality, parts by mass, parts by volume, and mole fraction. Let's examine these one at a time. The molarity of a solution is the amount of solute in moles divided by the volume of the solution in liters. Notice that molarity is moles of solute per liter of solution, not solvent. When you make a solution of a given molarity, you usually add the solute first and then dilute to the required volume of solution. For example, to make a 1 molar aqueous sodium chloride solution, add 1 mole of sodium chloride to a flask. Then add a little bit of water to dissolve the sodium chloride, and then add enough water to reach 1 liter of solution. The molarity of a solution depends on temperature. For example, if the temperature of a 1 molar sodium chloride solution rises, the volume of the solution expands while the amount of solute remains constant. This causes the molarity to drop below 1 molar. Molality is a concentration unit that is independent of temperature. Molality is the amount of solute in moles divided by the mass of the solvent in kilograms. Notice that molality is moles of solute per kilogram of solvent, not solution. To make a 1 molal aqueous sodium chloride solution, you combine 1 mole of sodium chloride with 1 kilogram of water. The resulting solution is 1 molal in sodium chloride. Parts by mass and parts by volume are both ratios of solute to solution. Percent by mass is mass solute over mass solution times 100%. Percent means per 100. For example, an aqueous solution that is 3.5% sodium chloride by mass contains 3.5 grams of sodium chloride per 100 grams of solution. You can use this ratio as a conversion factor in calculations. For example, suppose you want to know what mass of sodium chloride is contained in 155 grams of the 3.5% sodium chloride solution. You write 155 gram solution times the quantity 3.5 grams sodium chloride over 100 gram solution. The grams of solution cancel and you get 5.43 grams sodium chloride. Parts per million, ppm, and parts per billion, ppb, by mass are very similar to percent by mass, except that the multiplication factors are 10 to the 6 and 10 to the 9 respectively. A solution that is 3.5 ppm sodium chloride by mass, for example, contains 3.5 grams sodium chloride per 1 million gram solution, and one that is 3.5 ppb sodium chloride by mass contains 3.5 grams sodium chloride per 1 billion gram solution. All of the parts by mass units covered so far can be expressed by volume instead of by mass, in which case the ratios are volume solute divided by volume solution times the multiplication factor. For example, a 22% aqueous ethanol solution contains 22 milliliters of ethanol per 100 milliliters of solution. Mole fraction of solute is the amount of solute in moles divided by the total amount of solute and solvent in moles. You can also define mole fraction with respect to the solvent, in which case you substitute moles of solvent for moles of solute in the numerator. An aqueous solution that has a mole fraction of sodium chloride of 0.20, for example, contains 0.20 moles of sodium chloride and 0.80 moles of water. Mole percent is simply mole fraction times 100%. So, a solution that has a mole fraction of 0.20 sodium chloride has a mole percent of 20%. Okay, here's a practice question for you. What mass of solute is contained in 50.0 grams of a solution that is 20.0% solute by mass? A, 5.00 grams solute, B, 10.0 grams solute, or C, 20.0 grams solute? The correct answer is B, 10.0 grams solute. 20.0% solute by mass means 20 grams of solute per 100 grams of solution. You can use this as a conversion factor between grams of solution and grams of solute. So you have 50.0 gram solution times 20.0 grams solute over 100 gram solution, which equals 10.0 grams solute.